everyone, thank you for joining me. Today we are making Bridgerton's traditional scones. To begin with, in a small bowl we are whisking together 2 eggs and half a cup of milk until smooth. In a large bowl we will be whisking together 3 cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon plus 2½ teaspoons of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt and half a cup of cubed unsalted butter, which you have softened slightly. I don't know if it needs the salt or not. It may also have been that I used salted butter. You could taste the salt through mine. So just as a pre-warning, it might not need the salt, but I will leave that in your hands. You'll then be rubbing all of that together to make fine breadcrumbs. Then add half of your milk and egg mixture and gently stir that through, and then add the other half of it to try and bring it together. I found mine was quite wet, so I did need to add extra flour to bring it together properly when it was on the board. But it does say lightly dust a work surface with flour and then top with the dough and gently turn the dough over itself several times until smooth. It says you want the dough to be about 3/4 of an inch thick. Whatever I did mine as, it was just, it wasn't tall enough. And I kind of realised that halfway through. So you need it probably to be not far off the same height as your cutter. I think this is meant to make about 10 or 12. I think I did make 12, but I used a larger cutter than what it suggests as well. Yeah, it says 2.5 inch round cutter. Once you're happy with your scones, they will be chilling in the fridge for about 20 minutes, and then we will be preheating the oven at 425 Fahrenheit, which I did mine to 220 degrees Celsius. I think the translation is actually 218. And then we will be whisking an egg yolk and 1 teaspoon of milk and using that as an egg wash on the top. They will be going in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes and just give them a rotation halfway through. Let me know if you try these and how you get on. Hopefully they look better than mine. As always, stay safe and I will see you in the next one.